In this video, we are going to show you the top 5 best commercial blender in the marketplaces. We have selected them based on their quality, performance, and price. We've made a research for sufficient time to find out them. If you are trying to find out which commercial blender is the best, here is the video for you. Stay with the video till last. After watching this video, you can simply pick the right one. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. So, let's start. Starting of our list at number 5, CRANDDI Powerful Professional Blender. Smoothie Mix Blender or Food Processor. CRANDDI Smoothie Blender or Food Processor includes super substantial size capability of 52 ounces, BPA-free pitcher for 3 to 4 peoples. It is perfect for making huge batches of ice cream, child food, trembles, and smoothies for the whole family members, business usage, or individual blender or food processor. Turn ice to snow. Just 5-inch CRANDDI high-speed blender or food processor just takes 5 seconds to squash the ice, as well as you obtain a smooth and soft healthy smoothie immediately, which can create a range of structures. Such a powerful electric motor tells the mixer to supply 1,800 watts of mixing power to squash ice and break down any type of difficult components. Food quality stainless steel blade. 6 stainless steel blade 2-in-1 arrangement for both wet and completely dry components. Industrial quality blender for your residence or organization. Every angle of the blades is made to crush components quicker and create a nice vortex. Healthy and balanced, safety and security and hygiene. All materials of this shake maker are BPA free, with the food grade product definitely secure. Make use of a drop of dish soap as well as warm water. Here is the item number 4, Wantjoin Professional Blender Commercial. Audio enclosure. Wantjoin Expert Blender or Food Processor with Guard Quiet Audio Unit. With the layout of the all-wrapped soundproof cover, the audio can be obstructed to understand low noise and also large volume mixing, which makes it feasible to mix quietly in the house and also in a lot of stores, and also the soundproof cover can be conveniently taken apart, making it possible to feed and also stir. Multifunctional industrial mixer. Our multifunctional mute mixer can be utilized as gelato equipment, milkshake or smoothie machine, smoothie mix machine, and also ice crusher. As a mixer, it can blend different vegetables, fruits, nuts, and also grains, rapidly essence vitamins from these components, and completely blend them. One-of-a-kind design. Red fuselage, PC square huge mug, solid, fixed sound insulation cover, lower 3-side distributing exhaust, stainless steel mirror panel, unique layout, offering the kitchen area the freshest shade and also noble style. Automatic juicer. DIY rate control. The panel is ready to speed control mode. You can easily switch between min and max, making DIY and also 100 kinds of dishes feasible, appropriate for squashing ice, dessert, soup, fish, and so on. Immediate cleansing with a little soap and also water. The Wantjoin Specialist Mixer can be cleansed with the immediate strengthening key, which is easy to tidy. Under the activity of immediate effective horsepower, it can obtain tidy outcomes every single time. The item number 3, CasaCosa Professional Countertop Blender. Juicer and blender or food processor and crusher. It's time to update your kitchen area system with this newest blender or food processor for drinks and also smoothies. This is a 6-in-1 multifunctional blender or food processor that can make veggie juices, milkshakes or smoothies, shakes, soy milk, warm soups, desserts, grain powder, smashed ice, and much more. A piece of outstanding equipment that ought to remain in every home. 2200-watt powerful motor and 6 blades. Our KitchenAid Professional Mixer. The effective 2200-watt professional blender with up to 32,000 RPM can damage the cell wall surfaces of both soft as well as tough ingredients in seconds. The upgraded 6 extended sharp blades make the blending range broader and a lot more reliable. Variable speed and pulse control. Our shake blender was developed with a versatile variable rate control by rotating the handle during the procedure to accomplish your wanted structures. Select pulse setting to crush ice rapidly for frozen beverages and cocktails. Perfect for making huge batches of luscious, icy beverages and also smoothies for the whole household as well as commercial use. Removable for easy cleaning. Cleansing. This kitchen counter blender can be very simple. Add a little meal soap to cozy water, as well as run the blender for the 30s as well as wash it. It likewise can be taken apart for detailed cleaning as well as is dishwasher secure. Anti-slip rubber feet keep mixers strongly on the kitchen counter, ideal for residence or organization usage. Number 2 in our list, BATEERUN Blender Professional Countertop. Healthy and balanced facilitated. This expert blender pertains to supporting your healthy lifestyle and also fits your day-to-day dietary needs in a basic, very easy way. All materials are BPA-free as well as LFGB accepted. Effective commercial blender. 2200 watt electric motor specialist mixer with 6 hardened stainless steel blades. This high-speed blender or food processor can quickly damage frozen fruits. Safety and security and also timer style. BATEERUN blender will run only after the container took into base appropriately, more risk-free. And also you can preset the working time according to the active ingredients. This kitchen area blender will quit working automatically. Big Expert blender or food processor container. 68-ounce Tritan container is ideal for making big batches of velvety, icy beverages and smoothies for the whole family as well as commercial use. High-power electric motor and 6 blades can crush anything in seconds. This kitchen counter blender can conveniently break icy fruits. This mixer blender or food processor has a timing function. You can preset time according to the active ingredients, and also this shake maker will stop working as presented. The commercial blender has a 2200 watt motor with a boost of added power. The top one in our list, Wantjoin Professional Blender Countertop. Professional home as well as industrial kitchen counter blender. Embrace max 1800 watt power, 3 height horsepower and also set stainless steel blade, up to 30,000 RPM, as well as makes crushing ice much faster and also blend ingredients smoother than various other blender or food processors. Easy to use and also very easy cleansing rate control to accomplish a selection of appearances. Besides the common materials, with these also raw fish could be made into mashed and eating straight, and one button switch for cleaning up completely. Timer controlling risk-free using and also automatically quits when set time 1 to 5 minutes for your selection. Got to. As well as you might transfer to one more space to escape from the noise. Ice crush, smoothie, desserts, soups, nuts, sauces, hummus, dips, trembles, juicers, salsas, and also warm soup could be made. Numerous functions awaiting your diverse demands. An ice mincing. The blender or food processor might dice in 10 seconds without adding additional water and also no dropping while turning over. What you obtain includes a motor base, 2L thickened PC container with a rubber deal with hand-operated guide, tamper. The major features of the blender are for juicer, mixing and also mixing of fluids and active ingredients, nut crushing and shakes, and also hot soup. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best commercial blender amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like, comment your valuable opinion, and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.